Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope that you are all well. I am studying. I am studying a new class in English. From today's, I will upload English class in English way. Okay. I know that, and I believe that someone when learn English accurately or properly, then the learners have to learn in English way. Otherwise when the learners or the students, if they want to get a plus only, there is no need in English way to learn English. They have to learn, or they have to learn in English by Bangla medium. Okay, by Bangla medium way. But when the students in English properly, speaking, writing, listening and understanding, then the teacher must learn in English way. Otherwise it is impossible to learn English properly. Okay, I will discuss about the sentence, chapter 1. The sentence we discussed it before class or past class. Okay, the sentences, how many kinds the sentence tell? How many kinds?
Four kinds.
How many kinds? Four kinds. Four kinds. Four kinds. If I can ask you how many kinds, we will tell the answer. Four kinds. Okay. One is assertive sentence. Two is interrogative sentence. Three, imperative sentence. Four, sentence. Okay, exclamatory sentence. Now we will know about these sentences. Assertive sentence, actually those sentences are assertive. Which sentences express a statement? Which sentences express what? Statement. Ruman, do you understand? Which sentences express a statement? Okay, those sentences are called assertive. Okay, for example, we can tell, we can say one number is again assertive sentences. Which sentences a statement? Okay, statement means descriptive sentences. We can say example. Rana play football. Rana play football. Rana plays football. Sorry, Rana plays football. Here the sentences express a that Rana play football. What does Rana? Rana plays football. It is a statement. It is a sentences. Who Rana, who descriptive Rana. Okay, so we can say this kind of yeah, we can say more example. I eat rice. I eat rice. They do not go to school. Okay. Assertive sentence two kinds. Okay. One is affirmative. Another is negative. Okay. Negative, affirmative. Which sentence express their affirmative. Okay. Express the affirmative or yes. Negative. Okay, it is negative. These are affirmative. These are affirmative. Do you understand about the assertive sentence? It is a key statement. It expresses a statement. Sentences express a statement that is called assertive sentence. Okay, that is called assertive sentence. We can more and more example. Okay, tell two example. According yourself, you know. You tell another example. Two. I come here to learn English. Okay, it is also a assertive sentence. Another is tell. To tell easy sentence. Tell. He reads a book. Okay, he reads a book. You say two example.
We play football.
We play football. Another is
He is going to market.
he is going to market. Acha, okay. You tell two example.
She is well today.
She is
well today.
She is well today. Okay, very good. Next.
I go to school.
I go to school. Okay. It is very important. I hope that you have learned about the assertive sentence clearly. Next one is interrogative sentences. We know that whose sentences express a question. Interrogative sentence. Okay. Basically, a question. A question. First is a statement. Okay. First a statement. Second is a question. Or which sentences express a question, it is called a interrogative sentence. Okay, you have to remember just a question. Okay, you have to remember a question. We know that at the end of the sentence of interrogative sentence, we add the sign this. You know, which sentences are interrogative sentence? We will add a sign that is okay. That sign is it. Okay. We can say an example. Do you play football? Is this question, okay? When do you read? Okay. When do you read? Do you play football? When do you read? This is the two type question. Okay. These are the two type question. One is yes no question. That is yes no question. It is WS question. Okay. It is the what? WS question. These kinds of question is called yes no question. This kind of question is called WS question, or this kind of question are called WS question. This type of question is called yes no question. Okay. Now the question is, what is yes no question? What is WS question? Okay. Yes no question, which interrogative sentence express, or which by which question we can answer by yes or no. Which questions answer we can say by yes or no. We know that this type of questions answer we can say yes or no. Do you play football? If you play, you say yes. If you not play, you say no. Okay. For that reason, we are telling that it is yes no question. But when do you read? When do you read? You can say. Can you say that yes no? No. Its answer is another sentence or another word. It is impossible to give answer yes or no. This type of question. This type of questions answer will not yes no. Okay, will not be yes no. But these kind of questions you have to give an answer by another word or another sentences, another group of words. Okay. We say two type of question. One is it, another is it. Now, which sentences express a question? Okay, question that is called or those are called interrogations. It is another type of question. Those are interrogative sentence. Okay, those are which sentence? Interrogative sentence. Now you say two example. Two.
Do you want me?
Do want me. Another is
Whom do you want?
whom do you want? Okay. You tell two example.
Do you have a car?
Do you have a car? Very good. Next.
Did he go to school yesterday?
Did he go to school yesterday? Very good. Now you tell.
Have you taken breakfast?
Follow.
Have you taken breakfast?
Have you taken breakfast? Very good. Next. Next.
Would you like to play football?
Do you like to?
Would.
Or would you like to? Achha, okay. Would you like to play football? Okay. Have any question about interrogative sentence?
No.
Do you understand clearly?
Yes.
Interrogative sentence, its definition, its type, its example. Okay. Thank you. The next one, imperative sentence. The next one is imperative sentence. Number 3. Imperative sentence. Command or request. Okay. Command or request. Command. Which sentences express command or request? Those are called imperative sentence. Command. Command. Bring the phone. Command. Okay. Bring the phone. Order. Order. Also order. Okay. Order. Or order. Okay. Imperative sentence. Which sentences express command, request, order are called imperative sentence. Open the door. Open the door. Which type of sentence is it? It is command. Command or order?
Yes.
Same way. Bring the book. Okay. Please help me. Okay. Imperative sentence. We can say many sentences of imperative sentence. We use all time in our society, in our family, about imperative sentence. Okay. Imperative sentence we will use every time in our practical life in Bangla. Okay, we have to think about that Bangla, and by translating we have to tell in English. Okay. One example imperative sentence.
Don't make a noise in the classroom.
Don't make a noise in the classroom. Very good. Don't make a noise in the classroom. Next, in the classroom. Sorry. Next, you can say one
Read
example.
more and more. Read more and more.
Read more and more. Very good. More and more. Roman 12.
Don't sun.
Don't play in the sun. We can say about the imperative sentence in conclusion, which sentences express command or order. We can say that types of sentences are imperative sentence. Okay, imperative sentence. Many way you can tell the definition of imperative sentence. It is not right that you have to tell about the according to your text or books. Okay, you have to tell in your own imagination or own thinking, about your own thinking. Okay, you can tell the definition or example. Okay, fourth is yeah. Fourth is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. What is strong feelings? Okay, strong feelings. Also we see at the end of the sentence a sign. That what? Also we see a sign at the end of the sentences of exclamatory sentence is this. This kind of sign use at the end of the sentence of exclamatory sentence. Okay, which sentences express what kind of feelings? Strong feelings. Okay, that is called exclamatory sentence. Now we can give an example. Yes, I am undone. Okay. This sign will be here or at the end of the sentence. Sometimes we will use at the end of the sentence. Sometimes exclamatory words at the end of the exclamatory words. Okay. Hurrah! Hurrah! We have on the game. Actual strong feelings will be happiness. Okay. Two types strong feelings. How many types? Two types. The strong feelings is two types. One is sadness, another is happiness. Okay. This sentence express sadness. Okay. This sentence express happiness. Hurrah! We have on the game. Okay. Now you will give me an example about excellence one by one. Okay. At first, Suman.
What a beautiful bird.
What a beautiful. What a beautiful bird.
Yes, sir.
That is.
Yes, sir.
That is enough, but we have to tell it is.
Bird it is.
What a beautiful bird it is. It is also right. Okay. It is very appropriate. Okay. another example, that what a beautiful bird, or what a beautiful girl she is, what a beautiful building it is. Okay, many example you can set here. Okay, now you can you say an example about exclamatory sentence.
What a fool I am.
What fool I am. Okay. What a fool I am. You can you say, sorry.
If I wear a
If I wear a
queen.
queen.
Yes. Yes.
Queen. Okay, very good. That is the those are the example of exclamatory sentence. It is exclamatory sentence because it is a impossible, because it is not easy to become a queen. That kinds of wish is impossible. That is exclamatory sentence. Okay. If I were a king. In the at the end we can say that exclamatory sentence is which sentences express strong feelings, that is called exclamatory sentence. Strong feelings is two types. One is sadness, is happiness. Okay. Finally we can think about 4 sentences. Finally, okay, about 4 sentences we can think by this way shortly. Okay, shortly. Okay, 1 assertive sentence, a statement. Okay, a statement. Do you understand? In a short way. Okay, you have to remember in a short way. 2 interrogative sentence.
Ask a question.
Sentence. A question. Okay. Question. That is sign also. Okay. A question. 3 number. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Command. Request, order.
Yes.
4 number exclamatory sentence. Strong feelings. Strong feelings. Strong feelings. By adding this sign. Okay. Strong feelings. Tomorrow you have to discuss about the sentences again within 5 minutes. Okay, you have to discuss about sentences in English within 5 minutes, minimum 5 minutes. If you tell 10 minutes, no problem. If you can tell 10 minutes, it is very key. It is very good news. But minimum you have to discuss about the sentences 5 minutes. Okay. No more today. Thank you very much.